You're gonna love the upcoming videos. Number one, we are starting to work with the NFT Marketplace. And when we work with an NFT Marketplace, we need to build a Marketplace Smart Contract. What is a Marketplace Smart Contract? In a nutshell, it's a contract that will mint NFTs on the fly. It means that we are going to allow our end users to upload their art and generate an NFT from our Web3 application. Not only that, listen to this one. We are going to allow that user who minted the NFT with our marketplace, we are going to let that user stake the NFT. So if that user decides to sell the NFT on the marketplace, whoever buys that NFT can stake it on our vaults and they can start earning our reward tokens. So not only users are going to be able to list their own NFTs, we are not going to create any collections, we're not going to create any art, nothing. We're building a marketplace and our users are going to access that marketplace. They're going to mint their own NFTs. So they'll have a picture, they'll upload the picture, they generate the NFT. The Marketplace Smart Contract is going to issue the token. And either they can get that token delivered on their wallet or they can list that NFT for sale. Not only that, but the Marketplace Smart Contract is going to have a function during the minting execution that will issue developer fees. Yes, royalties. So let's say someone uses your marketplace, right? The moment that user mints a token using your marketplace, and we're not talking about buying an NFT from a collection, no. They're uploading their own pictures, they're minting their own NFTs, and they're listing those NFTs for sale. So we can either tell the end user, hey, you want the NFT, you have to pay, pay the marketplace, in this case, pay us, the developers, to get that NFT minted, okay? Or we can code a royalty, a developer fee, which every time that there is an interaction with that NFT, either it gets transferred, it gets sold from someone to someone, we, as the owners of that smart contract, are going to earn royalties. So we're gonna get developer fees. And this is the key in a marketplace. The key in a marketplace is that you, as the developer of that marketplace, you're offering a service to to your users, and they're minting their own NFTs. So they don't need to know how to code or anything. They'll just upload a picture, PNG file. They'll type the name, they'll add the description, they'll add the properties. On the back end, we are building an IPFS connection that once that art gets uploaded onto the marketplace, it gets uploaded into IPFS, so it gets stored in IPFS. This is big, but we are not ending there. We are also allowing that NFT to be staked on our NFT vault. So we have our own collection NFT that is stakeable, and now we are letting users mint their own NFT with their own art, and that NFT can be also staked, okay? And to finish it off, we are going to build a staking yield farm. If you hold our staking reward tokens, we'll have a DeFi kind of pool where that user can deposit their staking tokens and earn more staking tokens. Alrighty, that's it. So that's my update. Keep on the look. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and trust me, you'll love the videos that I'm about to upload. Okay, take care. Bye.